Rajesh. Thanks for joining us back. Hi, Shalini.
Hi, how are you?
Very good,
Hi,
very good.
Prita.
Hi. Yes.
Sorry, I joined a little late. I'm
No,
really sorry
that's
for that.
okay. That's okay. Are you comfortable where you're sitting?
Yeah, I'm comfortable.
Superb, superb. That's really nice. Hi, everyone. We have quite a few people joining us here.
Hello,
Hello,
everyone.
hello, Mr. PN. How are you? Hi,
Yes.
Hital. Okay, so everyone, allow me to introduce you to our Bagnari Shalini Sharma, the dynamic founder and CEO of High Kalpa chain of preschools. Shalini, let me please introduce you. Shalini's journey is truly inspiring. She transitioned from a successful career in engineering to being a passionate educator and a serial entrepreneur. With a master's degree in engineering and technology, Shalini's innovative spirit led her to establish multiple ventures, including Fun Lab, Hobby Club, and co-founding Highcom, an IT and telecom company. That's super interesting. Welcome to Bagnari, our series on women entrepreneurs, and who better to have here than Shalini Sharma. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah. So, hi, guys. Hello, everyone. This is Shalini here. So, as Preta has already introduced, so I don't think I should
No,
introduce myself
no,
again.
allow me to
So,
do
I would
that for
like to
you.
thank, first of all, Bug Nari, to give me this opportunity to come on this platform and speak about.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Thanks a lot,
Thank
guys.
you.
Yeah.
So, running by a few questions now, Shalini, I wanted to ask
Yes.
you, tell me something about yourself. What prompted you to start a business?
Yeah, actually, see, uh, myself, Shalini, again. So I run around 4 5 companies. So basically, I'm a serial entrepreneur. So I founded High Kalpa in the year 2021,
Oh,
but I co-founded our parent company Highcom in 2019.
okay.
So that's why the name, from the name High Kalpa, people generally ask me, like, why High Kalpa? You could go with Kalpa. Kalpa is an Indian, traditional name. Why High added into this? So Highcom is the reason for High Kalpa. So apart from Highcom and High Kalpa, we also run um, interior firm.
Wow, that's
We also have we also are coming up with the garment brand specialized for in uh, specialized for women particularly.
okay.
So we are soon will be launching the brand with
Very
us.
nice, very interesting. You're managing a lot.
Yes. Apart from that, we I also run Fun Lab. So under Fun Lab, we train school students on robotics and aero modeling
Oh, nice. Is that I can see the school in the
learnings. Yeah.
background?
And yeah, this is my school, Kalpa. You can see.
Yes, the net has suddenly just gone low, so it's a little.
Okay, okay,
But
okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I can
that's
see
my
the
school.
cute paintings and all that behind. So, what was your vision
Yes, yes.
when you started High Kalpa? What did you have in mind? What was your vision for High Kalpa?
Uh, yes, actually, I started my business journey, particularly in 2012.
Okay.
Likewise, other people, I mean, as an engineering graduate, I also started working with the, corporates. So I used to work in a corporate until 2012.
Okay.
So after that, like while I was working, I used to pick up and drop my son. He was around 3 year old that time. So I used to drop him in his daycare by 7:30 in the morning, and I used to pick him up, uh, you know, uh, in the evening by around 6:30 somewhat. So there always was a guilt,
Yeah.
like why why I'm earning, I'm not able to give time to him. He's full day, he's waiting for me, I'm not doing justice. So no, let me think of a profession where I can enjoy myself, if we can enjoy, because being a career woman, I can't sit at home, I can't leave.
Correct.
So I thought, why not I choose something where I can have time for my family, and I can also pursue my career and my passion parallelly. So that is why I thought of start coming in the preschool industry, because generally in preschools we will be free by 3 o'clock or sometimes. So after that, we can all aram se we can spend time with our
Family.
children and our family. So that was the sole motive behind coming in the early education sector and leaving the corporate life behind.
But you're still running 3-4 companies parallelly. So do you still get?
Yeah. I'm running, but
I
yes,
can see you still on
that
the run
is
right now.
that
I think you're in between places right now.
yes. That I run now multiple companies because now I got that confidence, and there's a sense of achievement.
Yes.
So when I sensed it, like if I can do it, then I can do other things also. And obviously, if you have a good team with you, then anything is possible. It's all about the
The team.
team. Team is your strength
Very
always.
true.
Yes.
So how much time do you spend with your team, and what do you work on so that everybody works together in one direction? How do you manage that?
Yes. So basically, I spend a lot of time with my core team,
Okay.
and that's my strength. So almost like daily basis, we will meet daily. So I spend a lot of time in discussions, and sometimes I always take participation in execution, and not on a bigger scale, yeah, but from an upper hand. So I always keep everything with me. I always try to be in touch with the team, in deep.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Now, today you are a child specialist. I mean, I'm sure
Yes.
you have understood children so much more right now.
Yeah.
So what is that one
Yeah.
thing from your childhood which you carry forward today?
I carry one thing, which is like naughty children, naughty children in childhood will always be the most intelligent people, no most intelligent person in their adulthood. So
So were you a naughty
I
kid?
used to be very extremely naughty.
Oh,
So
yeah, yeah, same here. बहुत मार खाए.
yeah, बहुत मार खाया, बहुत मम्मी से बहुत मार खाया है. So I used to be extremely naughty.
Yeah, yeah. So I used to tell them that maybe it's a sign of my intelligence. I don't think they quite agree with it.
Yeah, yes. Even my son will be saying, "What, Mama?" Nani will be saying, "You are extremely naughty. Why you are, scolding me now?"
So you seem to have a lot of fun and all that. I mean, is that how you are in person? Even when you're working?
Yes. Even nowadays, I have a lot of fun. I when the moment I enter school or office or in any other different place, so I'll always try to have fun around.
Very nice. You
And
were
my
acknowledged.
team also says like,
Yes, she was acknowledged for all
yeah, my
viewers
team
here.
also
She was
says like,
acknowledged recently at the MSME Business Workshop in Bangalore at Yashwantpur. So she had, for her entrepreneurship skills and for her contribution, she was acknowledged as an MSME, and it was very impressive, very, very impressive. So yes. And okay, now if I'm talking about as an entrepreneur, as a businesswoman, what is the
yes.
most fulfilling part of your day? What makes you the happiest?
Uh,
Apart from the money.
yeah. Apart from money, I think it's the sense of achievement, as I mentioned,
Okay.
and like especially when it comes to education is very much close to my heart.
What is close?
I am education.
Education. Okay.
So by heart, I'm purely an
Oh, very
educator.
nice. Okay.
Edupreneur, you can say. Okay, the moment I enter into my schools and the moment I saw the kids around, and as I enter the school and they come to hug me, give me high five, so that sense give you so much
Yes,
energy.
true, true.
So these two things again, if you are successful in one business, definitely you want to go for another business, right? And if a business is very close to your heart, so that becomes your passion,
True.
right? So these two things definitely
So,
this
Shalini, I want to ask
motivates me.
you now, running one business is a ball game. Running multiple
Yeah.
businesses is a different ball game. What is the difference between that? How is it different time management, different teams, or just running between five teams? How do you manage between different?
uh, Definitely the most important thing is time management,
Okay,
definitely. But the most important thing is your team.
okay,
If you have a supportive team, if you have proper team, proper people in place, experienced and passionate people in place, then definitely you can do anything.
correct.
And another one more thing, like you should not get scared
Okay,
what will happen next. So I never think of this, I never think of negativity in business. So when I jumped in means we will give our
that's
100%,
right.
whatever happens, let it
Wow,
happen, that's all.
what an attitude! That's brilliant. Brilliant. That's very, very inspiring. And
i'm
to think of it, you
I'm not
started
at
in
all a calculative
2021,
person.
right in the middle of
Yeah.
COVID. So,
So I'm not at all a calculative person.
oh,
I believe in hard work.
very nice. That's
Yes.
very, very inspiring, actually. And so, if someone else wants to start their business, what advice would you give them? Say, another, especially another woman entrepreneur, who has to run
Yes.
home and family and
So
work and things like that. So they find it usually very difficult nowadays. You know,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
so a
yeah.
lot.
So the most important thing I would like to tell any woman who wants to start her own business, or who is looking, to do something out of box, or who has some ideas, who want to go for her own startup or anything around. Okay, so the most important thing is, definitely we can't leave on our family. We have to take our family
True,
together, right? We have to make sure that our family is our is always an important part.
true,
Now you have to give importance and time to your work. So generally what happens, let me tell you, whenever, because I work with a lot of women, you know uh,
correct.
around. So there are more than 80 women, in my team
Wow,
who are working with me.
brilliant.
So day to day basis, I come across a lot of problems, lot of, I give them a lot of solutions. I motivate them. So the only uh, motivation is, like, you should aim high, stay focused. Okay, give proper time to both, divide your time, actually divide your time. So your important part, family, you should never neglect it, otherwise you will not be able to focus on your work also. It happened, actually. It happened with a lot of women. Initially they will show a lot of energy, all the time they will give to work, 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 and then family will be, inside. After some time, after 1 or 2 months, all the energy will go back to
Yeah,
home. There'll be complaints from family people, there'll be complaints from the child, there'll be complaint from husband, there'll be complaint from in-laws, there'll be complaints from friends and all. So there should be a balance, complete balance, between your professional and personal life. And that balance will come if you divide your work in small parts,
hmm. Correct.
and never leave hope.
Wow.
you know once you are starting something, you just keep this thing in your mind: I can do it, I will do it, I have to do it. And definitely, you know you should think in your mind that my family is there, they will, end of the day, they are also going to, support me. Once you prove yourself, family is always going to support you.
True.
Yeah.
True, very true. My God, that's really nice. That's very interesting. So now for some fun stuff. Let us know more about you, Shalini. I'm going to do
Yes,
a quick
yes, yes.
rapid fire so that
Yes,
everyone knows a
done.
little more about who's behind this
All
amazing
ready.
person.
Yes.
So quickly, a book that you've read more than once.
Two States
Tuesdays. Ah,
by Chetan Bhagat.
yes. Your go-to comfort food.
Go to
Food.
comfort food, Indian food,
Indian food.
all Indian food.
One thing you can't start your day without.
2 glass of water.
Really? Good, good.
Yes.
Now, apart from your phone and wallet, one thing you can't leave home without. Apart from phone and wallet.
Confidence.
Oh, very good. Very good. And your guilty pleasure after a long day. How do you unwind?
With a cup of tea.
रात को one cup of
Almost like, after finishing everything, I would love, like, I want to just sit, relax, and have a cup of
so
tea.
between tea and coffee, you're a tea girl.
That too alone.
मतलब no one should talk to me.
No one should talk. Yes.
Nice. A hobby you wish you had more time for?
Dance.
Oh.
And making reels
Oh
on
my
Insta.
God, do you?
Yes, I do sometimes.
Oh my God.
Whenever I get
All of
I get
us,
time.
we go
Yeah.
back to her Instagram and watch all the reels. Don't forget
Yeah.
to do that. One piece of advice for parents of young children.
Don't pamper your child too much.
Well said.
Too much pamperedness is, is not required.
Well,
Trust me.
very true. Well said. And in a tough situation, your go-to mantra.
Just hope. Hope. Whatever has happened for good. Whatever will happen for good. That's all.
Wow. And one thing you're the most proud of. Sorry? What?
My
Your
team.
team. My God, hats off to your team. I think I would really love to do
Yes,
another
yes.
session with them
I'm really,
someday.
really proud of my team. I love them a lot.
Very, and I think it's your love for them which is what has that bonding and that achievement.
Yes.
You know,
Especially my core team.
very nice, very nice. We really should meet them sometime and know more about them. Fantastic. But it's
Yeah.
always due credit to the leader herself. You're very, very inspiring, Shalini. I'm so glad we could make time for this. Thank you so much for
Preeta.
joining us at Bagnari. Everyone,
Yes.
good to see you all. I can see a lot of hearts flowing for you, Shalini. See you all soon. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.